Coming. I coming. Coming. Is he slacking? No. I do you only have one, Jason? If they're both moving the same, I would. So if you have more than one spine, then you could potentially take some profits, right? I think in Discord, like we've been spamming 580, 580, 580. Of course I should. 580, 580, Jason. Right? But again, if you're up nicely and they expire soon, like if they expire tomorrow, yeah, right? It depends. There's so much more you have to think about. Different price targets, yeah. Anyways, yeah, the S&P looks good, guys. We're hitting new all-time highs. All-time highs again. Again. What happened to but anyways, looks good, guys. TBIO also looks nice. It's bouncing off that demand zone, 120%. Not bad, huh? And then KTTA looks nice. Highs of the day as well. So a lot of good names to look at. Let's go. AJ, good morning. Jason, good morning. Ryan, good morning. John, good morning. Dave, Ayo. Azul, where's Blue? Who's playing Natalia, good morning. Those are your names. Those are the names you're looking at. War, good morning. Mr. Clark, good morning. Jay, good morning. Ayo, Jaspreets. Virus, good morning. A, good morning. There goes KTTA, by the way, with a really nice push. Right? So that thing looks good into the open. Looks good into the open. Okay, the downtrend. Let's go. Let's go. Whoever tagged me. Are you going to be live on YouTube this morning? Oh. Uh, yeah. Always check the stream alerts channel. It's always in there. When I had some cookies. Okay, sounds good. La 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 la. Whew, look at that thing go, guys. $7 for KTTA. Mullen, oh lordy, Lord have mercy, Mullen. 600 end of the year. That man got slapped in. Virus. Yep. I would be really surprised though. I I'd be really surprised though if the S&P went to 600 at the end of the year. Put smell good at 580, Joe. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want, and then I'm gonna do a month out or something, and then see just again, even if it's just like a small hedge, against the long term stuff in the account. So good morning, Jason. Let's see here. Oh, the hurricane is keeping you home today, Jason. Not a good thing, but we're glad you're here. All day long. Rich, good morning. Yeah, Holo's on here somewhere. Just looking at that thing. Yeah, there it is on the left hand side. On the left hand side, MU is another one. So yeah, Oksana posted this one, right? That thing is done really, really well for anybody that was in it. So MU, good earnings, Boomski. So if you're holding some calls, I'm sure you're really happy as well. Let's see. 587. Why 587? I'm looking for music here. Why 587 now, Jason? Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. I wish I could play like vibes, like vibe musics, you know? Vibes. Yeah, snap. Yeah. But unfortunately, we can't be listening to nice vibes like that. Otherwise, we get in trouble, you know? Anyways, what other vibes do we have here? What are the vibes? Okay, let's go back to boring. Well, not boring, but these are nice too. But anyways, uh, not 580. Yeah, I mean, honestly, we can say 580, but I think we at this point know that it depends what happens when we're getting there, right? You can always have that resistance or that idea of where you think something should be failing at. But if we're getting to 580 and there's a lot of buying pressure coming in, no way in hell anybody's shorting that thing at 580 or buying puts, right? It's just that simple. So, uh, real, it's on your watch list, Ty? Dang, 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 dang. Did we say 600 and not 590? I know, right? KTTA still looks good even though it's stalling at $7.10. TBIO on the left hand side also looks good to me. So holding $5. Quite a few names that we like going into the open. You know what I'm going to do instead is I just want to set up separate tabs here for some of these stocks. I like having like each stock that I like on its own tab. So yeah. So again, I like what this thing has done off that 470. So maybe even at the open, we can come back and retest 470. We'll see. And then there's a bit of a double top at $5.10 with TBIO. We'll tell more. Yeah. Powell is speaking at some point today. Don't think that's a negative for the market though. He's not going to sound any different than he sounded when they did the Fed meeting. That's the thing about Powell and the Fed people is they make the decision when they do the Fed meeting, and every time after that before the next Fed meeting they sound exactly the same. Whether it's bullish or bearish. So if he was good for the market a few days last week, he's good for the market today, right? So unless he woke up and unless he slept on the wrong side of the bed or someone slapped him in the middle of the night, he's not gonna all of a sudden be like, oh, but yeah. Is there a halt during pre-market referring to the LRHC? There might be. So a stock can only halt in pre-market or after hours if something major is happening, right? It's getting delisted or the company has news coming out. So then they halt the stock. But no volatility halt though, if that's what you're asking for. So no volatility halts allowed in pre-market and after hours. DUO looks interesting still, doesn't it? It needs to break above 70 cents though. DUO, 70 cents. 70 cents. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Pyro, good morning. Guardian, good morning. Joe, good morning. Jasmine, good morning. Sander, good morning. And everybody else. Good morning. Don't forget to hit the like if you haven't already, please. And thank you. Doche, good morning. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and become a member. Alrighty. It has news that's better than getting delisted. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's good news though, right? So I haven't looked at the news. I saw like a headline, but I didn't bother reading it. So Nikolai AOWZ, about the market, even if it's raining fireballs, except for when he goes to Jackson's Hole. That's the only time he got in. Okay, and you got in before the halt. Hmm. There goes that DUO guys with the woof. That thing said, "Hey guys, my goodness, DUO with the pop." Sheesh. Uh. Before yeah, okay, I see. There we go. That was a good breakout. Good breakout for DUO. I like it. What's on the left hand side here? SVRE. SVRE. So that looks good. TBIO is still failing at $5.10. So that thing needs to break there eventually. KTTA is still playing with $7. So we have at least three names that we kind of like going into the open, don't we? Yes, sir. Uh zeros, Doche? Okay, maybe that's why then. I bet you that's why because it got halted. How much time do we have? Okay, we have 12 minutes before the market opens, so we have plenty of time. Plenty of time. TBIO, and then plenty of time. MU. There we go. Twitter. I'm just doing my there goes 79 cents. Woo, that thing looks nice. What happened to interesting. One of those candles changed, I think. Perfect. There we go. When the S&P hits that 600, Yeah. Ooh. WZ, is there any is the I want to say I don't know enough. Um, I want to say I don't know enough unless there's a catalyst. Yeah, maybe virus. Yeah, maybe. I think that's what we were looking at too. Is I think I posted that screenshot already in Discord somewhere, but and I think that's why we mentioned 580 is because that would be a really close number to October. And looking at those election cycle charts, it kind of looked like the market like violence started in October when it comes to like the election cycle. Um, I think the only reason why that changed this year, at least for a little bit, is because we had that 50-point basis cut. You know. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna get that back test though. That'll be a pretty nasty back test. But we are at resistance here at 575 for the S&P. So yeah, can we get a 2% green day? 2%. Yeah, I need to go find that screenshot again, virus. Do, 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 do. There we go. I'm just reading some of these messages in the options channel. You guys are wild. Funny. Yeah, looks like we're failing at 575 for now for the S&P. Yeah, that's when they're doing it. Robo taxis. Hmm, interesting. Moving on. Question for you guys in the chat. What's your favorite stock going into the open? Virus is gonna say Nvidia. Patricia, good morning. Shamir, good morning. Virus is gonna say Nvidia. Unbelievable. KTTA. Good morning, Laura. Good morning. Good morning. KTTA still looks really nice, doesn't it? That was a really good dip ski. Really good dip below the 9 back above and then booms. New highs. Only concern with this one is that we're sitting at resistance going into the open. Nitro MU. Okay. So yeah, for a lot of you guys, it's gonna be KTTA, it seems. Right? And then again, yeah, it's going back down there, Lion. Jason, it's DUO. Did you get into DUO? Because I know you were asking in Discord, right? You were asking when it was consolidating. So it was just sitting there and consolidating, right? At this point, what you're waiting for is you want to see these candles form some higher lows, which you can kind of see that it's trending up in a weird pattern, right? And then it breaks above resistance. That breakout is usually what you're looking for, right? So in this case, it kind of started on this candle here at 69 cents, right? And then boom. So if you got into that thing, congratulations. You got in at 61, congrats. Hopefully you maybe took some profits, or hopefully this is just a retest of the 9 at 75 and then it goes back up. Dan, ayo, good morning. How are you? Good morning. So yeah, it looks like the S&P is struggling with that 575. So that might be the main obstacle today, or the magnet. Sheesh. These gap ups on the S&P they're becoming quite impressive. This is not the second time we've had like a nice gap up like this. Sheesh. Just wake up and all you see is green. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. At least maybe that means, we're going to get some nice volatility for anybody that wants to play futures or, just play with options. Yes. So TBIO, if you're still playing or watching this, it needs to get back above $5.10 already, or come all the way down to 470 if it wants to. HOLO, the most useless stock on the planet, but it's done a few nice things this morning, with a lot of supply in the 30-cent range already. DUO is still selling off, maybe just retesting the breakout. 6 minutes to go here, and then KTTA is just stalling still, but looking fine. Blister, good morning. Hello, hello. Uh, is it a pre-recorded message? Oh, okay, like a previous one, maybe Guardian. Okay, sounds good. No, pre-recorded message. They are from the smaller names. No, 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 no. Uh, okay. I was just looking at your screenshot there, Shamir. Don't you have Discord on your computer? You could just you could just do like a snip or like a screenshot of that and then post it in Discord on your computer. So then it's easier for you, or it looks nicer, easier to see. Kimbella, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Gambling on what, Joe? KTT is looking really good. My goodness, looking really good. The only issue you're gonna have here is, again, we are at resistance and the market is about to open. You know, that's the only problem. Is you get all that volume. Some people want to take profits, and then we get the fat red candles, fat green candles, and then we pick a direction. Then we pick a direction. Come on. The S&P's really failed at 575 for now. Doo-doo-doo-doo. The last dip we had, though, the last major dip we had on the smaller time frame, we bounced up to 200. So let's see if we can do it again. See if we can do it again. I would not be surprised though if we had a sell off at the open. Yeah. Uh, and forgot your password. Too lazy to reset. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. In August, expiring October, nearly 800% days. Congratulations, well done. How come this is the first time we're hearing about this though? Why? 800%. Well done. Congratulations. Um, exactly, Nitro. Exactly. Yeah, yeah, I saw your screenshot. I saw your screenshot. Okay, make sure I'm ready to go for the market open in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't have anything I don't like. DUO still below the 9. Yeah. Okay, perfect. I'm ready. Ready, ready. Oleg, good morning. uh no, Dan. What Dan is thinking about now is breakfast. What does Dan want for breakfast? Good morning, Olu. Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. A bit of a slow week on the small cap side, but there's been some amazing scalps, right? So nothing's gone crazy, like last week, but it's been a good week nonetheless. So KTTA going into the open, right, is a favorite. TBIO looks interesting, and then DUO. Other than that, I'm sure some other names are going to come up once the market opens because you never know. And once they do, we can go ahead and take a look. But for now, those are the three names that I like going into the open. Let me know if there's anything else that you're paying attention to that maybe I'm not looking at. Chris, good morning. Alrighty, guys. Again, if there's anything you need help with, it might be too late now for me to focus on your names. But if you're paying attention to something else that we're not looking at, then let me know, please. Alrighty. Shorts as like the stonk. Okay, that's not a momentum play though, right? That's more of a swing play for you. SBC looks nice. Highs of the day. SBC. Okay. Why does Google have that thing on the background? Is it because it's Halloween or something like that? Okay. SBC. Very interesting. Good stonk. So the S&P just locked in brand new all-time highs, guys. Alrighty, so 574.72 for the S&P, all-time highs again today. So people are locking in some profits as the market is opening on the S&P, which is not a major surprise. There goes KTTA though, right? So these candles shouldn't be a big surprise. You're always going to get these crazy volatility candles at the open. It's easy if you're in a position because you can just manage the position however you see fit. But when you're looking for that brand new position, just be very careful, please, right? Because this thing is going to be all over the place, right? So again, KTTA looks nice. DEO is trying to decide what it wants to do. That candle went all the way to 78 cents and then came back down. That level at the top, that's your supply zone anyways, close to 80 cents. So you want to be very careful when this thing pushes to 80 cents because it seems to fail there more often than it doesn't, right? So let's see if this thing can find a base anywhere already. Same thing with TBIO. TBIO actually came back closer to that 470 we talked about, and it's trying to decide if it wants to break out or not. So you can see the volatility in all these names, right? This is nothing new. Every morning you're gonna have craziness like this. And if you pick the wrong stock, you could end up in the abyss, right? So again, if you don't feel safe, just sit on your hands and wait for a second. Let the market relax, Let it relax. The S&P is still dipping here, right? Still deep skiing. So some profits being locked in at the open. HOLO isn't doing anything, right? Like I said, HOLO is the most useless stock in the market. Useless. But it does move up nicely sometimes, right? So I'm sure at some point it's gonna go boom skis. But for now, useless. NCNA is getting slapped right to support. So $3.20 for NCNA. Anybody that's holding that thing. Alrighty, so if DUO can find a way to close these candles above 70 or 69, that would be good. Cool. And then back to KTTA because that's looking like still the best stonk, right? Brand new highs closer to $7.50. Seven. If you're holding KTTA, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. By the way, again, this is one of the benefits of again, if you're not a member in Discord, you're truly missing out, right? So early this morning, um, Let me see if I can pull up some screenshots. It's a lot of work. Hmm. Um. Anyway, so I'll do that later. We can talk about that later. But again, if you're not a member, you're missing out on these things when the news does come out. Right? When the news comes out on these stocks and they're still very, 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 very cheap, you're missing out truly, right? Because that thing went from what last night from $3.80 to $7.50 almost this morning. So um, you're missing out. Alrighty. So if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. And then for everybody that's in MU, congratulations on your calls this morning. Right, that thing pushed to what to $115. So congratulations. Hopefully you're locking in some gains at least. You're scaling out, and then you can manage the rest later. DEO looks nice, right? That's a really good bounce for DEO, by the way. Really good bounce. Jason, are you still in your position? So that looks like a double top at around 80 cents there. So let's see if we can actually close a candle above 80 cents. Righty, so it found a way to hold that 70 cents, 69 to 70 cents, and then boom skis, tapping new highs of the day here. There goes 81, 81.50, 82 pennies, 82.50, 83 cents almost. So again, congratulations if you're in that one. Righty. So yeah, and then TBIO, that thing is just getting slapped to the abyss. So out of the three names that we like, two of them seem to be doing okay, even though KTTA is still finding resistance at 750, 745. So that thing needs to give us a brand new breakout. A brand new breakout. And if you're looking for a brand new position in DUO, that thing needs to consolidate above 80 cents. If not, it's going to dip again. Alrighty. Yeah, exactly. AJ 750. Yup. TAL. Okay, perfect. What are we doing here? Still failing? Yup. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on DUO for now. 84 pennies. Cooking DUO, cooking. Yeah. There goes 85 cents. If you're holding DUO, type in yes in the chat. Looks like Eric is in there. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding DUO. So current high for the stock is 87 cents. Let's go. Yeah, you got in at 61 cents, Ocampo. So congratulations. That's a really nice gain there. Patricia, well done. Congrats. It wouldn't let you buy it. There goes 89 cents. Cooking, DUO. Cooking. Lee, you sold at 82.50 from 73. Congratulations. Either way, you're happy with that. Right? Monies. You sold at 81, Jason. You made money though, right? Let's go. Grimes. Oh my goodness. Where have you been? Where have you been? Why does everybody like where have you been? Good to see you. It just got slapped. Yeah. So that 750 looks like we could not break above. And so this is another thing that like, we've said multiple times on stream is like it doesn't matter whether your stock pops like a sell-off is coming for every stock that's pumping at the open or into the open, a sell-off is coming at some point. You either sell off at the open immediately or you sell off after a bit of a pump, right? But that sell off is always coming, so you can find the base always. So for KTTA, let's see if we can find a base around like $6.80. Alrighty, there's a nice little demand zone sitting there with the 50. So this little area here, let's see if we can find a base there. So $6.80. DEO, almost 90 cents, and then back to 80. So in this case, you can kind of see that DEO had that sell off immediately at the open, right? So that sell off is always coming, right? Always coming. There goes TBIO. Yup. That thing said, here's my sell off. I sell off at the open and then I pop, right? A lot of resistance still below $5.10. Alrighty. So just be careful there. KTTA is back to $7.20 again. So the open is just chaos. Like it's just chaos. right? Everything is all over the place. You pray that you're on the right thing, right? Yeah, especially at the open though, Guardian. It's always coming. Natalia, well done by the way. Congratulations. Monies. Well done. Well done, skis. The S&P looks like it's bouncing as well, so profit taking at the open and then a bit of a bounce. We're still $1 away from that 575 though. 575. Around the had to pop in and let's go, Cygrams. Good to see you by the way. Good to see you. Hopefully the business is doing well already. Hopefully everything is okay. There goes TBIO guys. So it looks like we're gonna push for that $5.10 again, huh? And you can kind of see like the level of resistance we have up there, right? So this is not the first or the second or the third time we're getting to this $5.10. So it really needs to break above if it wants to go. Really needs to break. Your stop saved you. That's that's the whole point of having that stop there. It's meant to stop the bleeding, so you don't end up in the anyways end up under the water. Let's go, Oksana. 2020. You sold it for $2,100 in gains. Let's go. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I'm looking for a gift. Do, do, do. Perfect. IP. It's a brand new IPO. Okay. Cooking. Cooking virus. Amazing. You can clearly tell that like one of these names, especially between KTTA and DUO, like one of these names wants to cook still, right? So KTTA keeps coming back into the supply zone, which is a good thing, and then it looks like DUO is holding the 9 EMA. So one of these names should be able to give us another run here. Should be able to. And then TBIO could not break above that resistance, right? Into that supply zone, $5.10. Yeah, don't be buying that thing in that supply zone ever, right? Don't be buying in that zone, please. And then if we can stay about 450 off the bottom here, that would be nice. So that might be a more appealing level, closer to 450 than foaming into this thing at $5.10. Alrighty, and then just waiting to see which of these can actually give us a breakout. What's MU doing? MU's back to 111. Yup, right. So again, if you locked in profits at the open on your calls, congratulations. Right, the sell-off at the open is always coming, always. So maybe at some point it's going to turn around and go again, but always good to lock in some of those monies. And then for the S&P, I don't think we quite have a range yet. I know Joe mentioned earlier that there's a gap to fill, obviously with the gap up from all the way to 571, which was the high from yesterday, kind of, right? So, or even just go back and fill the gap to the previous all-time high, right? So 572.88, right? But let's see if this becomes a double bottom though, because if there's one thing the S&P loves, it's these stupid double bottoms, right? Oh, that was a scam. That was such a scam, the cookie, right? So that's what happens when a stock pops like that and it doesn't quite break out. You can always call that a scam. It's a scam doll, right? It really is trolling at this point. So this is why, like, when you're waiting to buy a breakout, it's really important that you wait for the candle to actually close. Because if it doesn't, you get caught in like market maker scams, right? So let's see if we can stay above the same bottom again. Alrighty, DEO is just sitting there too. TBIO is still holding $4.50, right? So, yep. Let's see which of these three names can give us boomskis. Boomskis. What's HOLO doing? HOLO is bouncing a little bit, yeah. So your next resistance for HOLO is like 27.80, but you can call it 28 cents. And then NCNA is still holding that $3.20 for support. Let's go, Nitro. Are you ever gonna sell that thing, or that's like your long-term hold? NVIDIA. NVIDIA. What's NVIDIA doing this morning? NVIDIA 127. Ooh wee. Sheesh. My goodness. This 2 days ago, NVIDIA was at 115. And we were wondering why like the market was pumping and NVIDIA was just sitting there, you know? It wasn't that long ago. It didn't take very long. My goodness. Uh have you all heard of Mullen? With no volume, just bought 1 million shares. That sounds like a scam. Sounds like a scam. Yeah. Virus? Agreed. There goes DUO, guys. Ooh, we DO said, you know what, guys? Since KTTA is selling off, how about I become your captain? How about I become your captain? How about I become your captain? There goes 93 cents. Cooking, 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 cooking. You're in at 26? For what? For Holo? Okay, OB. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it's not a bad entry. You're slightly green in that position for now, so that's perfect. Right? That's good. 30% on Nvidia calls, Olu. Monies. Congratulations. There goes DEO. And that's a nice little run. I'm sure again the usual $1 resistance, right? I don't even need to zoom out. We just know $1 resistance. Resistance 2250, Rich. That thing has all the ingredients it needs except for the float, right? So massive float now because the idiots have been doing offerings or again potentially selling those shares, which is annoying. But you finally sold that thing, Ocampo. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, taking profits right below $1. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Congrats. Monies. Okay, there we go. Good scalpy. Good scalpy. Another flush for the S&P. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. We shall see. Are we still holding the bottom here for KTTA, guys? Kind of. Kind of. Right? Kind of. I think that thing needs to get back above $7 as soon as possible, or it's dead. Dead. Okay. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Exactly. So, yeah, it most likely is the best thing to do. Go back all the way down and fill that gap from the previous all-time high to this all-time high, right? Go back down and fill the gap, and then go from there. Uh, yeah, Jason, you want to be very careful here, right? You're looking for a brand new position right below dollar. Um, that thing is kind of gone. You know what I mean? You're playing with too much fire here, jumping in at 90, 95, 96, 97. Hmm. Really, the AMD pushed that much? 168? Impressive. Very impressive. Mm-mm. Looks like TBIO is dying. Dying. This one's also dying. HOLO has a lot of resistance below 28, so it really needs to get back above 28 and then go for 30 cents for you guys. Um, yeah, I'd be careful with TBIO here. Even though it looks like it's kind of consolidating, it's also stalling, right? It's T-Rexing in a sense. So if that thing sits too long below $1, it's gonna end up getting a big red candle. So be careful. FFIE. Yeah, I saw Chris post that one in Discord. FFIE. Do. Ooh, wow. Oh wow, yeah. Dang. Okay. Where'd that thing come from? Very interesting. This one has that history of 287. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. $2.87 entry. I want to say the if not, yeah, I think I'm still gonna be waiting for those puts though. Maybe we shouldn't, but I'm still gonna wait for those puts. Maybe virus. It is time to do those weeklies, but still kind of feel like there's more room to the upside. Unless we have a major event coming that could potentially scam the markets. I feel like it's just gonna remain on that dip skis and back to new highs. Like for some reason we woke up this morning and the market was at all-time highs. Stuff like that. Anyways, let's go back to DEO. DEO looks nice. My goodness. That thing is not stopping. Thing said, let me touch $1. Do you have $1? Let me touch it. Uh, See, the only problem with that though, Kimbella, is you need that momentum, right? Let me pull up the stocks. Safety shots. It's up 7%. Okay, that's not horrible. It just doesn't have the momentum for now. So as long as it stays above $5.10, though, you should be okay, right? $1.10. Alrighty, and then after that, you're looking for $1. Cool. Okay. DTSS highs of the day. Waiting is a rich man's game. Uh, no, this is also the yeah. You're up $100 on what name, Kimbella? Yep. No, the bot definitely pays for itself. Yeah, potentially. It really needs to find a way to stay above this bottom though, Lion. So again, $6.60 here. It's now or never for this thing. KTTA. Let's see. Yup. I think we're gonna miss that. Just as I was typing the damn signal in Discord, it came there and it popped. Unbelievable. Yeah, I think we're gonna end up missing that unless it wants to sell off again. That was a perfect signal too. It came right into the beautiful range. It was right there. $6.50. 49, beautiful line. That's exactly what the signal was gonna send. Joshua, good morning. How are you? That's exactly what it was gonna send. But looks like we came and you're liking it. Mike V, welcome to the channel. Let us know if you have any questions already. So yeah, 650 to 660 for me was a good range for this donk, and it's cooking already. And it's cooking already there. So there we go. Uh, okay. At in the yeah, congratulations, well done. Your take profit is 735. Okay, you're quite a ways up there though, so just be careful. Quite a ways up there. Then DUA still looks beautiful, guys. So again, congratulations if you're still in this one, because that thing is not stopping. It's up 112% now. So congratulations on that one. That thing just keeps cooking. New highs and new highs and new highs. There goes $1.08 now. $1.09. 118%. 120%. Sheesh. What a monster. That's a really good run, by the way. My goodness. 68 cents all the way to $1.10. Really good run. And there goes a breakout. Woof! $1.15. 130% there on that one. Sheesh. DUA. Is it halted up yet? It looks like it might be halted up. 3 and halted. So if you're still holding DUO, type in yes in the chat, guys. You're still in this one, type in yes in the chat. You smell weakness, Joe? I smell weakness. FFIE 350 is your next resistance there, but nice little bounce off the bottom. And then again, obviously with HOLO, that thing needs to get back above the 200 EMA. KTTA looks like we came really close to that 660 again, guys, and then we bounced back to 680. So we do need to get back above the 20 and the 50. So $6.85. If that thing wants to cook back to $7, it's going to need to break above that. Alrighty, KTTA. So it looks like it's trying here. Mr. Clark, monies. Monies, monies, monies. 685. Yeah. So it needs to hold above 685 if he wants to push for $7. There you go, 695, guys. Ooh wee. Boom skis. Boom skis, guys. Boom skis. Oh my days. Boom skis. Money has been made. Boom skis. Boom skis. So that thing looks like you almost had to take those profits at $7 though. Ooh, Joe, you know where you need to go, Joe? In the options cooking lab. Come to the options cooking lab, Joe, with those beautiful charts. Hey, did you get filled? Beautiful line. Perfect exit, by the way. Congratulations. I'm glad you moved that damn thing a little bit lower because you were asking for all the way into the supply zone. So it came all the way back into the demand zone again, and I don't like what it's doing now. So no, it's not halted. It just came baback down. Do you always halt it up though, Chase? So that thing needs to keep holding. Again, 660 to 650 is a beautiful area, right? 660, 650. But the more we test that level, the less I like it. So be very careful. So Lion, good exit on that one there. Okay, perfect. You're still in? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just waiting for the on halt. And for a name like this, you would expect that $1.20 to be major resistance, right? So just keep that in mind, okay? So when that thing gets on halted like that, hopefully we break above $1.20, and then just keep cooking. Wait, why is that? Okay, never mind. Copy, 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 copy. Well done, AJ. Well done, well done. That was a good scalp. La la la. Let's go. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Congratulations, Bunny. Love it. You bought at 667, sold at 719. Give me a high five. Well done. I mean, again, it still looks good because it's holding that level we looked at, right? So, um, yeah. Again, if you FOMOed after the signal in Discord, type in yes in the chat. Gail, good morning. How are you? Some of you guys were already in this thing, so that's good. But again, if you FOMOed after the signal, type in yes in the chat. So again, that level is still holding. I just don't like how it doesn't have the momentum. Natalia, well done. Congratulations. Did you lock in your gains though? I hope you did. Right. So let's see if we can find a way to stay above that level. But yeah, I just don't like when we're constantly testing. Well done, Natalia. Love it. Love it. Love it. Anyways, DEO is on halted, guys, and it's at 119. So that 120 is gonna be a bit of a magnet, isn't it? A bit of a magnet. There we go. There we go. Joe, are you in the options cooking lab yet? There we go, guys. $1.26, 150%. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Monies, monies, monies. Ooh wee. The cookie? Well done. Yeah, make sure you move your stop losses up, please. Make sure you're scaling out on the way up. Don't just sit there and wait and say, but Blaze, we're going to $2, right? Sure. So make sure you're paying yourself on the way up, or at the very least, you're moving your stop loss or scaling out. Alrighty. Anyways, KTTA is still holding that bottom level that we started buying at. So again, $6.60, 650. Let's see if we can continue to stay above it. Right. This candle was a bit of a fast. You had to lock in those gains really quickly. But let's see if we can do it for the second time already. So hopefully we don't come back down here because that would just be annoying at this point. And then DUO, $1.12. So a bit of a sell-off. Came all the way to retest the 9 EMA. This Saturday is a special birthday, I think. No. No, there's nothing special about it. It's just the birthday. It's just a birthday. I don't know. I've never been one to like celebrate like my birthday. But I do understand the importance though. It's always good to celebrate life. It's not just in general. It's just the date that is a reminder to celebrate. Uh, After hot, it hit your stop loss at $1.10. Jack of all trades. What did you get in at? What did you get in at? Really good one-on-one yesterday, by the way. Really good. Always good chatting. Yeah, this thing is finding some resistance right below there. Ayo, Grim. Grim is in the house, guys. Grim is in the house. It's time for more monies. More monies, more monies. Uh, on my next birthday, Ty? Yes. Okay, on the next birthday, I will. We villagers don't celebrate birthdays, you know? I honestly never remember as a kid. Maybe it's not a good thing, but I never remember as a kid like celebrating a birthday. Um, we had other things to think about, uh, but maybe we did celebrate some birthdays. I just don't like remember ever like in my life celebrating a birthday. Your birthday is today. Happy birthday, KB. Yeah, and end of the week, KB. End of the week. Let's go, Grim. Monies, make those monies, please. Make those monies. So again, KTTA is still holding the bottom of the range. We just need a fat green candle again. Just needs to give us a beautiful candle, and then DUO needs to consolidate above $1.20. My first birthday celebration was in high school. Yeah. Uh, let's go, Jericho. Double my daily with AMD and back in again. Let's stay green, not greedy. Love it. I like how you've been hitting those daily goals consistently, consistently. Love it. So yeah, there was always going to be resistance, guys, at $1.20 for DUO. Always, it always is, right? It doesn't matter if there's no resistance there. It's just a psychological level for like penny stocks, right? KTTA is looking good again, right? This is that fat green candle we were asking for, right? But again, we need to get back above $7. So again, it looks like we picked the absolute bottom for this stock, right? 660 to 650, absolute bottom on this one, but it just needs to find a way to consolidate above $7, and then we can cook. We can cook again. Cook. There we go. 692, 695, and back down. So $7 is becoming a bit of an obstacle, but we knew that already, right? Uh, yeah. Let's go, Joe. CNEY. Okay. CNEY. Okay, perfect. There we go. $7. $7 again. Like if you wanted to scalp this thing multiple times with that signal that was posted in Discord, you almost could have, right? You just have to take profits really quickly though. Let's go, CM. Happy belated birthday. Um, right. So again, anywhere close to 660, and it looks like we've been to this level twice now. So kind of a double bottom, right? If we come back to this level the third time, I feel like we're gonna break below, right? So double bottoms are really common, double tops are really common, right? Because of retail, right? If I see a stock bounce off a level once, I want to buy the stock when it gets there again, right? That's why double bottoms are common. But when it gets there for the third time, I don't have any more buying power, or I just don't feel comfortable that it's constantly coming down. So that thing needs to push, because if it comes back down there again, it's gonna get slapped. The one for you for your birthday. Yeah. Oh, that's funny, Jeff. Yep. 679. Did you take profits at all, Gail? I hope you did. Yeah, I hope you did. Ah, that's funny. That's funny. But yeah, the S&P is still dipping there. Maybe we're gonna go back and fill that gap now. I mean, we actually have in a sense, right? So 572.88. Let's see if we can consolidate around that price for SPY. If not, more abyss. Let's go, Eric. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. Okay. Back to KTTA here. KTTA just needs to stay away from this bottom. Stay away. Stay away. Away, away, away. BH, the only thing you should be getting into now is a Discord membership. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. 95. Who is stopping this stock from going boomskis? Grim, are you in this? Holding the 200 holo. Yeah, holo's back to 28, so that's good. Who is stopping this? 93? Come on now. You can do it. So again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. There we go. 93, 94, 96. Come on. Every time we get close to $7, someone is like, nope, 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 nope. Oh my goodness. Grim says maybe, guys. You know what that means, right? Come on now. But make sure you're taking profits or at least moving your stop loss higher. Ready? Yes, we need to lie to the stock, Grim is out. Grim is out. And then the stock will go boom skis. 96, come on now. Just one more boom skis. 97, 99. So that $7 we know is still resistance, right? How do you find it? You have to become a member first on YouTube. So if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom there that Diddy's posted, Virus, and become a member, and then you get the link to join us in Discord. Alrighty? So just make sure you sign up for the right level, though. Discord, community, legend, or goats, those are the only 3 levels that give you access. This stock is all over the place. My goodness. Sheesh. Yeah. My goodness. For $2 dividends, Jeff, let's go. You're doing really well with that dividend portfolio, by the way. Congratulations. It looks like we're holding $1 for DUO, though. So, in order for DUO to cook again, we need to get back above that supply zone. Get back above $1.20. Alrighty. Holo is still failing at 28 cents. We know 28 cents is your next resistance there, so it needs to break above. And then the S&P is still playing with that level that we talked about earlier as a retest. So let's see if it stays above it. Alrighty. Okay, back to KTTA and let that thing cook. Yes, Kimbella. Yes. Yes. That's right. That's right. Nitro, somebody's like, you shall not pass. So the S&P is holding that gap now for now, right? 572.88. And if we close below that level, then yeah, we can go to that to the bottom where Joe mentioned. So for now, stay strong. You feel the gap already. Go up, go up, go up. So with you too, KTTA, useless stock. Your grandma baking is the worst baking I've ever had. You hear that? You hear that? Your grandma's baking is rubbish. As long as you stay below $7, your grandma's baking sucks. Unbelievable. Good morning, Wanty. How are you? Good morning. There's a lot of resistance at $7. My goodness. A lot of resistance. Okay, are we gonna break above? Or are we just gonna sit here and play games and then get slapped? We're just gonna play games. It looks like it, huh? Come on now. Come on now. Just give us one of those scam candles. Weakness, Joe. It's trying to. It's trying to. Yeah, this candle is gonna make our decision here. This is gonna be make or break candle. There we go. There we go. 96. Someone's like, nope, you shall not pass. Sheesh. This candle is gonna be the deciding factor here now. 98, 99, $7. And slap immediately. Immediately. Someone's at $7. Yeah. It really should be ripping. There we go. There we go. And right back down to $7 again. Right? This thing has all the ingredients, the soup, the spoon, the tomato, the onion, the carrots, all the ingredients, except for the fire. Anyways, now that Grim is out, it's time to cook. He's out. Come on, Boomskis. He's sacrificed. Okay, so 720 is major resistance again. He has to be careful. Again, scale out on the way up, right? Or move your stop loss up, please. At this point, when we're sitting at a double top, that stop loss should for sure be moved up, just in case we fail and we get slapped. Lewis? Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please. We waited 100 years. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Monty. Let's go. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Monty. Let me see what it is. Let's go, let's go. Thank you very much, Monty. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Alrighty. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so now we're sitting in that supply zone. You should for sure be moving that stop loss up, just in case horrible things happen. Alrighty. But obviously we want to cook, right? So there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. So it looks like we hit 720 and 725, but we couldn't stay above it, right? For now. Looking good. Yeah. Thank you, Monty. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. There we go, guys. $7.30. That thing is all over the place. There we go. There we go. Boom skis. Boom skis. Monies, 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 monies. All we had to do was get Grim out, I'm kidding. uh there we go. Finally. Yeah, at this point again, we're approaching the previous high. Anytime we get close to $7.40, $7.50, you want to be careful if you look to the left hand side, right? So again, like I posted in Discord, you could have played that signal multiple times, guys. Right? The entry was $6.50 to 660. Right? So if you wanted to, with a stop loss at that level that we put, you could have played it multiple times. Right? So if you did, congratulations. Alrighty, so now we're just sitting at major resistance again. So be very careful. Chase says, boom skis. Let's go, Chase. Let's go. Congratulations. In at $6.84, out at 733, 732. Congratulations. Give me a high five. Well done. You missed it, Nitro? That's okay. CNEY is just slowly hitting new highs there. Highs on highs on highs. Highs on highs on highs. There we go. Here comes a sell off. Again, this shouldn't be a major surprise to anybody, though. Like, there's resistance right there, right? Whenever we're in the red zone, you want to be very careful. So, what I would like to see now, though, for this stock is consolidation above $7 if it wants to cook again. So, $6.90 to $7, it needs to stay above that if it wants to go again. So, if it doesn't, well, that was a really good exit, right? It's a supply zone, it's a red zone. It's the golden candle. So until we consolidate above $7, we're not ready for any more, right? We might go back down into that range again. So WZ, congratulations. DEO is doing a good job holding $1 for now. So the longer it stays above that level, the better. And then again, for those of you holding HOLO, 28 cents is still resistance. FFIE with a slow bleed here. Nothing fancy happening. Nothing fancy. The S&P is still holding that bottom there, but it's weakness for sure. Weakness, weakness, weakness. There goes DUO, guys. It's almost like the money's rotating, from one to the other, to the other, to the other. Joshua, yeah. Grim has been spamming KTRA in Discord. Joshua, I'm still waiting. It's gonna be like Christmas, when you come join us. But oh, I see. Kizin, KXIN. Why is this thing behaving like it's halted? DUO so slow now. Uh, Good morning, Andre. Can I take a look at RNS? What's your question, though, Andre? Let me know, please. There goes. There we go. All we had to do was do a little bit of trash talking. A little bit of trash talking. That's it. There we go. We're back to 120, guys. That's all we needed to do. Maybe this thing. It really is very rare that like you have two names moving at the same time. So you can almost tell like as the other one is selling off KTTA. Now DEO is like, oh, it's my turn, right? But it's a double top though, so we need to close above $1.20, and then we have room for more. So and then KTTA again, we came back into that zone, so 160 to 150, and we're bouncing again, right? So pretty nice push initially here, but you should be taking profits or putting a stop loss at a well-known resistance area, right? That red is there not for decoration. That's what my mom would always tell me. The stop sign is there not for decoration, right? The anyways. So when you see red on the screen, it's not there for decoration. It's there to kind of help you out. There goes DUO. DUO is like, get that red rubbish out of my face. Get that red. Tesh, good morning. How are you? So $1.30. Next little zone here for DUO. Good curl. Really good curl. KTTA has done like honestly done an okay job with like just constantly bouncing off this area, hasn't it? Wow. Hmm. Wonder what's gonna happen there though. I wonder. Uh, yeah, that's okay, Hamza. You win some, you lose some, or you win some, you miss some. That's it, you know. You win some, you miss some. GUO. You guys are ruthless. The options cooking lap is cooking. Doche monies. Let's go. Let's go. Doche, you completely again. You could have been in all the way in at $1.10 though, right? When it curled, right? So again, consolidation curl, close above, right? But you're playing with FOMO instead, right below $1.20. There will be times where a trade like that doesn't work out, so be very careful, please, right? You had the opportunity to get in on the close above, right? But again, it's green, so you should be happy. Just be cautious for next time. The end is near, Grim. Okay, like earlier, or like way earlier. Yeah, just be careful. Good. Again, profits. Always happy. Just learn from it. Silver price going up. China won silver in a bad way. Okay. What is that, Rob? You kind of like Weibo? See, Doge? See, you just have to give it time. Ooh, wee. I like it. IBIT is looking amazing. Bitcoin looks nice, guys. BTC looks nice. Want to see BTC? BTC looks nice. Look at that. Almost $65,000 for Bitcoin now. Slow and steady, right? If I pull up the daily though, like we're approaching a major level here for BTC, right? So look, this is the daily chart. The last time we were having a run like this, where did we fail? This stupid thing failed right there. So that's BTC on the daily, right? So BTC is approaching that double top at 65K. It's slightly above 65K, and it's all about like what happens on the daily. So If at the end of the day today Bitcoin is holding above $65,000, it might be time. It might be time. Uh, it might be time. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully that is not the case. But it doesn't look like it though. Bitcoin looks like it wants to just keep cooking, huh? It's looking good. BTC looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Wait, why does that chart look like that actually? Hmm. So if at the end of the day Bitcoin is breaking and closing above that, yep. It's also a daily. Yeah, DD. Okay, thank you. Thank you. In my opinion, but it will be tough. Yeah, Bitcoin likes doing the hard things. So let's see what happens. Anyways, there goes KTTA again, bouncing off that beautiful green demand zone. Look at that beauty, guys. Right? At least you can be making 10 cents off this level, and then eventually it's not gonna work. Eventually, this thing is gonna drop to this level, and then the gates of hell will open up and swallow the damn stock. Right? So for now, it's constantly bouncing off the bottom. CNEY, not sure why I haven't pulled this one up yet because it's been consistently hitting brand new highs of the day, and it looks really nice. Like it's just breakout after dipski after breakout after dipski, and yep, looks good. Feel like that volume will kick in, Grim, if it breaks above 70 cents. Right, so a break above 70 cents would send it. Anyways, DUO is hitting brand new highs of the day, guys. And someone is calling me. Should we answer? Let's answer, guys. Hello. Hello. They don't want to answer, guys. They don't want to answer. Aw. Why? Anyways, guess we hang up. DUO, guys, on fire. On fire. On absolute fire. On fire. My goodness. Don't pick up one, don't pick up two. Are you not supposed to pick up though, Che? You're done for the day. Hit my daily goal for the second time. Once again, so grateful to have found this community. Let's go, Chris. Let's go. I love it. Members, like we can see people like just improving every single day. That's amazing, right? Like from never hitting your daily goal to hitting your daily goal twice in a row, Chris, you can definitely tell that it's not luck and there's a level of like improvement. So congratulations, that's amazing. Alrighty, you should be very 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 proud. uh, you should be very very proud. The S&P looks like it's yeah. Joe was smelling weakness. To schedule a massage, Wes, don't schedule a massage with Diddy, please. You'll not leave the same. Chris, well done. Well done, Skis. So the closer DUO gets to $1.50, $1.45, you should be taking profits. Right? KTTA loves to come back to retest that same zone. Eventually, this level is not going to hold. But now, though, it's acting as an absolute gem of a level. Chris, yes, I agree. Or you could paper trade, right? So you could paper trade and see if you can replicate your strategy or just, sit back and watch since you hit your daily goal already. Already? Let's go, let's go. Well done, CM. Monies. You formed a break and then you sold the pop. All done. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I don't think we've made it to almost at 100 likes, guys. So again, take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new and all the other fun things already. But it really helps and it's free. So smash a like, please and thank you. Smash a like. Ooh wee! What a day in the markets. What a day in the markets. Did we close green or red? Pretty sure it was green. Let's go, Jason. I hit my daily goal 2 times this week as well. Well done. Give me a high five. Well done, guys. So it looks like BTC is failing at that double top for now, guys. We're back below 65. So let's see what happens. Right. At the end of the day, that's really all that matters. Right. So at the end of the day, look at CNEY pushing for 70 cents, Grim. That thing, no stopping. No stopping. No stopping. CNEY, 70 cents though. Major, I think that's your biggest resistance there. And there goes KTTA, guys, right? This is why we don't want this thing testing support too many times, because it's only a matter of time before the doors open at the bottom and you fall through, you know? So you want to play that thing and play it, but eventually, if you keep jumping on the bed, every morning you wake up, you jump on the bed. It's only a matter of time before that bed breaks, right? So that's exactly what happens at support and resistance. Anyways, let's see if we can stay above the 200 EMA. Back to DEO here, retesting the 9 EMA. Retesting the 9 EMA. Holo's at 29 now. Oh, Holo. Oh, okay. Oh, not bad. Highs of the day for Holo, yeah. Huh, interesting. And then 30 cents. Not bad, Rich. Yeah, you have a really good average, so it's easy for you to manage. La 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 la. There you go. Do, 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 do. Okay. What's the S&P doing? Still weakness? Yeah. That weakness doesn't help Bitcoin, but I think Bitcoin is fine on its own, at least for today, unless something stupid happens. Let's go. Oh, that was yesterday. Okay. Yesterday. $1.29. Mm. Maybe we're just gonna keep doing the same thing we do every day, like the S&P sideways, sideways, sell off, and then at the very end of the day, boom skis. You know, at the very end, it goes boom skis. $1.36. That's a pretty big block. It's not backing up though. It's gonna end up breaking, isn't it? Yep. You have a meeting. Okay, sounds good, Nitro. Enjoy the meeting. See you soon. Let's go, Tony. CNEY, that thing popped really quickly to 70 cents again and then came back down. Really quickly and right back down. Uh, 10-year treasury. There you go, 68. 69, Grim. Ooh, Grim is counting the monies. Counting the monies above 70 cents. You can do it. 69, 24. Come on now. Yeah, no, 70 cents is a nice little psychological wall for stuff like this. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Weakness, SPY, weakness. There goes KTTA, guys. Again, good little scalps, right? So for now, though, we can just leave that thing. We can just let it die, right? In terms of like pre-market gainers, I just want to check really quickly. It was TBIO, yeah. No wonder that thing went to the abyss. Okay, back to CNEY here, tapping 70 cents. Let's go, Grim. Monies. Monies. Yeah, 70 cents is acting as a huge obstacle here, isn't it? Monies. Come on now. Push, push, push. There we go again. 69.69. Come on. Yeah, the problem is having the bid so low on this thing now. There we go. 70 cents. There we go. New highs of the day. Ooh, wee. Let's go. Come on, virus. Come on. Monies, monies, monies. Monies. Puts, of course, though, right, virus? Love it. Somebody always needs to slap Tesla, you know? Somebody always needs to remind Tesla that it's trash law. Oh, well, there we go. Give us the 71. NVIDIA? Monies. Monies, monies. So this looks good, and DUO still looks okay. Alrighty, still trending up, so not a major concern on this one. DUO. And then HOLO. HOLO is looking good, actually. HOLO's looking good. It's pushing for that 30 cents now. Again, major supply zone up there. Where's Raven? I know Raven was in this one too, probably. In HOLO, most likely. But not a bad run. Okay, sounds good, Virus. Be safe. Uh, take care of business and chat later. Later, later. Is that you, Holo? Yeah, yeah. 70 cents is too strong for this thing. It seems, Grim. But again, it's also still trending up, right? So maybe until that trend changes, there's really nothing to worry about if you're in lots of profits. You know, you got stopped out for $900, Grim. Okay, good money still. Really good monies. LGCY IPO. Okay. My only concern with looking at IPOs, sometimes it's like it's not a theme in the market. Uh, so then you just watch them go sideways. So $10 million initial public offering, $4 per share, which is good. And then okay, 2.5 million shares. I mean, the good thing is that at least for now it's sitting above $4. That's always a good thing. So if it can stay above that IPO price, that'd be good. CNEY says Grim is out. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So Grim is out. Okay, now the party starts. We need to create an ETF, guys. For every position that Grim sells, every position that he sells. You know, because as soon as he's out of a position, ETF long boomskis, monies. There goes new highs of the day, 72 cents. Sheesh. Way down we go. Right, Grim? Yeah. You got in on the dip, 368 rich. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. The S&P is bouncing back a little bit there, back above 573. So, yup. Let's see what happens. CNUI, new highs of the day, 73, 74. Telling you guys that ETF would be making monies, guys. Monies. Look at that, 75 cents. Sheesh. Look at this monies. As soon as Grim sells, monies. Look at that, 77, guys. Sheesh. Yeah, Grim, that little drop there is frustrating for you though, because that's unnecessary, right? It's still trading up really nicely. These candles are really scammy, but that's what the market maker wants, I guess. That's what they want. They go 78 cents. Shish, 78. Monies, monies, monies. That's a really good push. Really good push. We have a new member, guys. Ooh, 79. Wait, 80 cents. Went 80 cents. Uh, Grim, yeah. We have a new member, guys. Salman, welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There's an invite link for you under the community tab on YouTube. Just click on that link. It's gonna bring you to Discord. Alrighty. Welcome to the community. Let me know if you can find the link. Then I'll send it to you at the bottom of the chat here. But what happened to the S&P here, Joe? It's a pretty good bounce. Spy's like, yep, that's all you get. You have your dip skis, you can kindly suck it. Welcome, Salmon. 79. That's a pretty beautiful uptrend, though, isn't it, Grim? Pretty nice. From the open, drop a low, back above. Drop a low, back above. Easy monies on this one. Easy monies on this one with the trend there. Yeah, so Salmon, if you can find the link, let me know. Raven, we were just asking for you because we know you love Holo and Holo has been cooking. You couldn't find the link. It's under the community tab. So just go under the community tab on the membership level, members only tab. It's gonna be right there, and then just click on it. It's gonna take you to Discord. Your ears were ringing. Why did you visit Pyro? Oh my days, you didn't you? Here goes 80 cents, guys. 80 cents for CNEY. 3, 2, 1. 80 cents resistance. 23. Beautiful, Raven. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks like we might be finding a bit of resistance at 80 cents then. 80 cents. Two. U.S. Defense Secretary says we won't face risk. We now have a we now face risk of an all-out war, which could be devastating for Israel and Lebanon. Okay. Yup. 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 Craziness. Craziness, guys. Craziness. Yeah, let me look at my calendar here. Uh, okay. Here we go. Of the liquidity zone. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, looks like it. So if you look to the left hand side, that demand zone, yeah, it looks like it. That's a pretty nice bounce, and that's a really good liquidity candle, actually. Hmm. Yeah, really good bounce there. Finally broke 120. Let's go, S. KTRA, KRTRA, yeah. Troika or something, whatever the name of the company was. In the day, it made easy. Steve, let's go, Rich. Let's go, let's go. There goes CNEY, guys. New highs of the day here. Telling you that Grim ETF would be on fire right now. On fire, Grim. Woof. There goes 82 cents, guys. My goodness. Cooking. Cooking, cooking, cooking. DTSS again. Cooking. Again, beautiful uptrend on this thing. Right? Beautiful uptrend. So yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. I know, right, Grim? From KTTA to this one. Monies. Let's go. This is a different Pyros, by the way. $400. Congratulations. 75 to 81. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Good exit too. Yeah, that 70 cent break. For some reason, we just had to come back below and retest those. I mean, we never really held above it, but as soon as we did, though, which is important, right? As soon as that candle actually closed above 70 cents, it cooked. So that was the key there. And then DTSS is hitting new highs of the day here, right? So well done, well done, well done, Senda. Right? You do seem to be trying to close above resistance. So $2.90 is a double top. So be very careful already because you're officially at resistance. Officially at double tops, $2.90. Slightly below, but I'm just gonna call it 290. Ready? Until the candle can actually close above, and then it's $3. $3. Good push though. That's actually a really good push. Very, very nice. Looks like our DUO is losing the momentum, isn't it? Lost the vibes. People just rotate from one name to the other name to the other name to the other name. So let's go, Griff. Woof. That was actually quite nice. Actually, quite nice. That thing went like one penny above it. No, I think that one was a really good exit. That was a good exit, especially right below $3 like that. That one, I think you might have nailed that one on the head. But I think the only difference between like a name like that and a name like this is you sold this one as it was breaking out, or your stop loss hit and then it came back and actually broke out. Whereas the other one is just simply exploding to the highs, you know. But it's still testing 290 though. So maybe, oof, that ETF. This is coming, guys. That ETF is gonna come. It's not quite closing above the double top yet, so this all of this doesn't really count. But until it closes above 290, and then it can push more. But DTSS on the daily, okay, sounds good. Yeah, just on the 1 minute for now though, it still needs to close above 290. Alrighty, $2.90. Jack says, let's go. Green on 5 of 7 trades. Green overall. That's my goal for now. Love it, Jack. Right. So Jack and I had a one-on-one yesterday, guys, and it was good. And love it. So again, if you're a member or if you're not a member and you're struggling with entries and exits, I don't know what to tell you. Right. Invest in yourself, like Jack said this morning. Right. The knowledge will live with you forever. Alrighty, so stop playing games, stop playing with yourself, right? Take it seriously because otherwise the market is. So we had a member last week send me a again. So like new to the market, right? And they sent again. So no names, so nobody feels like Uh, Let's go, Grim. I look back to where I started before I joined the Discord, and now I'm up. I'm $38,000 in profits in 2 months. Whew, 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 whew. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Well done. Well done, Graham. And you've not only made monies, you've helped a lot of people along the way with you as well. So that's amazing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Grim, go post that in the testimonial channel. We need more testimonials, guys. So go post in the testimonial channel and already. So we have more of those, and then you can tag everyone too if you'd like. Uh, retest out at 80. Okay, sounds good. Not bad. 290 is still a problem here, isn't it? Yeah, $38,000 in 2 months, guys. Sheesh. Right? The man can cook, and when he cooks, he feeds everybody else. Let's go. Ooh wee. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so there's a lot of resistance here at this 290. And then CNEY looks like it's T-Rexing stalling. Maybe it's time for more dip skiing here. Is the S&P back to the lows? It is, isn't it? Yeah, I just made brand new lows there. Just made brand new lows. Some weakness, even though it's still green for the day, though. Why does DTSS look like it wants to break out, but it's not sure what it wants to do? 290, it wants to do it. 200, 615 needs volume though. I agree. The closer you are to $6, the better. The closer you are to $6, the better. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Okay, let's see. La 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 la. Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's just what it's doing, Rich. 28. There goes CNEY, guys. When you see something stalling like this, maybe, just maybe, it's time to take profits. Alrighty? Whenever you see a stock stalling like that, after a major run, yeah, you want to be very cautious because it might be time for a retest. And then DTSS is just sitting there for now. Like Azul mentioned, KTTA is trying to get back above the 200 after getting that liquidity drop to $6, 615, like you mentioned. It just needs to break out though to the upside, get back above the 200s. DUO again, really good run on this one, but it found some resistance and now it's selling off. So let's see how long we can consolidate above this level for, because that was a breakout. If you look to the left hand side there, a little bit of resistance, a breakout, and then a retest, right? So let's see if we can consolidate around this range and then go back up, which as we were leaving, it looks like it trying to. And then there goes KTTA Azul, right? So nice little pop above the 200, looking good. SMCI is halted down. Really? Shush. My goodness. Shush. For a stock like that to halt down, it's did they sacrifice somebody or what happened? SMCI. Oh my days. I feel like they halted this thing down for another reason though. So I feel like there's almost something else going on here that like you guys are talking about in the options channel that I haven't looked at. Issues of one. Oh yeah. Did that just come out? Or I think it might have just came out then. Key facts today: SMCI issues 1.5 billion convertible, 0% interest. Uh, I wonder if that's new though, or if that's just like a. Hmm. I wonder. La 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 la. Yep. Accounting problems. Wasn't that a long time ago though? Trade. Right. That was a long time ago. So DTSS could not break above that 290 resistance. CNEY retesting that 70 breakout. So let's see if it stays above. HOLO still holding that 200 EMA, 2780-ish, Rich. So that's good. And then KTTA is still playing around. Uh, okay. La, 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 la. There we go. Oh, they got involved today. Ah, okay. Thank you. Ah, ah, ah. Huh. Let's go. There goes the on hold. Woof. Minus 8%. SMCI with the slap. Hmm. Anyways, I mean, maybe there really is some truth to to their accounting issues, right? Some merit to their accounting problems. uh, yep. I think that's why what's the name of that firm again? The Hindenburg, right? I think that's why people trust them a little bit because there's always some merit to the stuff they put out. Always. So, yup, yup. Or maybe they just have some friends in some high places. Let's go. My so many people are absolutely killing it. Love it. I la 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 TBIO la 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 la. I mean, to find la 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 la. And then, let's go, Grim. Love it. Thank you very much for the testimonial, Grim. Really appreciate that. Let's go. Well done, skis. La 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 la. Absolutely, absolutely, Grim. I absolutely agree. The money will come as a byproduct of the knowledge. You know, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, SMCI is getting slapped. Doo, 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 doo. Slapped. Uh, mm, perfect. I agree. Salman, I'll send you a video, okay? Because I think you haven't followed the instructions in the. You just have to connect, alrighty, Salman. So you just have to follow the steps in this video, and then you should be good to go. Should be good to go. Anybody buy puts? Wants to go red? Yeah. What's happening, Dan? What's happening? Maybe we should have looked for those puts, those spy weeklies, instead of waiting. Uh, report by selling from Hindenburg. Yeah. So that wasn't anything new. I think the one I posted wasn't new then. Sheesh. Minus 12% now for SMCI. Anybody buy puts? Because I bet you those puts are paying. Come globe trotting success. Your membership will pay for itself. Pay for itself. Alrighty. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there. So if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and sign up for one of the levels. Right? Discord, Community, Legend, or Goat. Those are the only three levels that give you access. Alrighty. So again, click the link at the bottom there, success, and then and come join us in Discord. Okay, perfect. Is it halted down? Yeah, it's halted down, guys. Damn. Damn. Shish. I think that war news was the catalyst. Yeah. Yup. Doesn't help for sure. Yeah. Tech stocks just went from green to red. S&P still green, of course, because we had a pretty major gap up. So I think it has a bit of a cushion, but other than that, the war news. DEO looks like it's still consolidating around the left-hand side breakout retest area. So let's see if we can stay above. And then KTTA got slapped at that 200 there as well. Slapped. This is why like I tend to stay away from stocks that go below that low, right? Again, I'm going to keep saying this every single day is when that stock creates the low and it breaks below the low, it's always a red flag to me, right? If a stock gives me one low, that means it can give me multiple lows. If a stock gives me a new high, that means it can give me multiple highs, right? I just like to keep it simple like that. And yeah, alrighty. So stocks hitting lows are very likely to keep hitting lows. Stocks hitting highs are very likely to keep hitting highs. Right? There goes a zero. Zero going to the moon. Grim. 9 cents. Beautiful. It's a really good entry. Very, very good entry. Yeah, looks like CNEY is done, right? So again, a lot of resistance. Sometimes when you see the resistance, take your money and move on, right? So especially when it's below the 9 like that, what the hell are you doing holding it, right? Let it go to the abyss. And then DEO is bouncing, kind of a little bit, a little bit. Do. Cooking. First time seeing a pricey stock like I know I was kind of surprised that they halted the thing with minimum movement like that, you know. But nasty. AOE, exactly. Love it. No, I think, you know, again, if anything else, like if you're still struggling, you should be able to see that people are, you know, improving, right? Constantly improving. So, to this group, as well as the criminal Kiva. Let's go, Raven. Absolutely, I agree. Yeah, absolutely. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. La 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 la. Yeah, there's a lot of talk about like nuclear stuff, and you know Russia says some other stuff the other day about like, you know, um weapons of, I don't know, whatever they called it, right? So everybody just wants to fight now, I guess. Everybody just wants to attack each other. Yeah, good thing you sold those calls, Monty, because the market turned around hard. So let's see, 125 DUO. 125. More blood is coming, probably. More blood. More blood. Do, 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 do. 71. I guess the S&P just wanted to go to 71, huh? Where's Joe? Joe, we're gonna send you straight to jail. Don't collect. Don't go past go. Whatever the monopoly. Straight to jail is where you're going to. La, 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 la. Perfect. Straight to jail. SMCI is on halted, guys. My days, that thing got slapped. It looks like it wants to bounce here now, though. I think dropped all the way to like 384, 382 almost. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Shish. And there it goes again. My goodness. My goodness. uh, Something about the DOJ getting involved with the the accounting allegations from Hindenburg earlier, like a month ago. Yeah, violence to too erratic, Dan. Yeah, looks like it wants to bounce up 380 though. Look at CNUI, Grim. That thing really got slapped from 80 something cents all the way back to 50 something, 55 at the lows. Sheesh. Knees in the dirt. And it drops like Hindenburg too. Exactly. Exactly. There's a bit of a downtrend on DUO there, so I don't think there's it looks like the market is getting into that whole slow time of the day, and then we wait till all the way till after hours before we cook again. Hopefully not, but it's been like this every day. Pre-market is fun. The first little bit at the open is fun, and then the entire day it's slow. So like as soon as after hours hits, we're cooking again. So if you're missing after hours, you're missing out on a lot, by the way. So for those of you guys that slack because it's slow all day and you're like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the day off. Well, come back when the market closes. Come back when the market closes, because it's cooking them. Grim, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Good monies was made there. Looks like SMCI is bouncing off that 280 ish. Back above 380, back above 400. Hashtag violence. Oh, Grim. Oh my days. Hopefully it was a small position though. Tomorrow it will cook as a let's go, Raven. Let's go. So tomorrow is going to be a fat green day in the market then. 580. Do, 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 408. Do, 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 do. SMCI. Yeah, honestly, this is why you have to be very careful with like all of these stocks, all of these AI stocks. It's one thing to go with NVIDIA. It's another thing to just like want to pick up all the other AI stocks that you can find. You know. Also, I think so these guys are not exactly like AI, right? So be very careful with Grim. Oh, money's smooth criminal. I like it. Yeah, as long as you can stay above 55 cents blister, you should be okay or even just 50 cents. You should be okay with SNEEY. SNEY. A smooth criminal. That's a beautiful chart, by the way. Yeah, beautiful chart. Snapchat. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Uh, love it. Do, 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 do. Perfect. La, 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 la. One second. Do, 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 do. Mm, do, 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 do. And then we had here we go. Good morning, Maynor. Good morning. Let's go, Pablo. Let's go. Let's go. You're very close. Very, very close. It's a moving. Is there any more entries? Not that I can see right now. Do, 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 do. Everything looks a bit sus. DTSS should be getting closer to support though, so $2.35 ish might be something to look at there. Zero, stay above 10 cents already, and then DEO. I mean, it's still kind of sitting in that demand zone, so hopefully it stays above. Yeah, yeah, it's holding the 200, so as long as we stay above 55 cents, then you should be okay. Joshua, STRM, okay. STRM. Mm, 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 mm. Streamline. Good volume too, actually. Good volume. Good volume on that thing. Let me look at the daily here. It's coming up the bottom. Not bad at all, Joshua. Yeah, good trend up from the last few days now. Did you get into this thing, Joshua, or you're just looking for now? Do, 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 do. No, 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 no. Okay, perfect. 28. Nice pop there, Joshua. Oof. STRM. 29. Almost. Yes, please, KB. That thing is going to have a bit of a weird spread, though. Look at that, from 28 to 26. Yeah, that thing is going to be all over the place. So just be careful. Look at that, back to 28 again. So just be careful with the way you buy this thing if you play with it. Guy Arava, what's your question? Do you have a question? Or you just STRM. There goes 29. Sheesh. 30 cents. Oh my goodness. Good. That was a good shout, by the way, Joshua. Congratulations if you got in. So, and then 30 cents, obviously, a level to be mindful of. Retail be crazy. Yup. I think now that it's hitting 30 cents and backing up, I think people usually wait. Above 25, people FOMO to 30 cents, but then once it hit 30 cents, they wait for a break and then they FOMO above. So I think looks like it wants to cook more though. Do, 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 do. Yeah, 30 cents is a bit of an obstacle. Do, 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 do. FOMO, FOMO. Do, 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 do. Looks like a zero hit the 10 cents diagram and then went back up to 11. So that's actually a really good retest. That might be a perfect retest then. 10 cents back above 11. CNUI, yeah, that's a nice pop. 55 and pop. 55 and pop. Mara went back to $17. Nice. Treasury 11:15. Okay, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen speaks. There goes 30 cents. The money is keeping me awake. I mean, I mean, uh, Nancy Pelosi husband sold more than $500,000 worth of Visa stock. Let me look at this. That's interesting, Lion. Amdullah. Let me look at this article really quickly. More than $500,000 worth of Visa stock just weeks before DOJ antitrust lawsuit. Well, I mean, sometimes it's who you know, right? Interesting. $500,000 worth of Visa stock less than 3 months before the credit card giant was federal antitrust charges. Blah blah blah. Positioned to penalize customers and merchants who. Oh, interesting. Cool. Financial tech firms to work with. Huh. Hmm. I mean, all I wanted to look at was the headline. Just wanted to see if there was anything interesting there. But to 40 cents is what you're looking for? Monies. Yeah, you need a candle to close about 30 cents, and then you might be pushing for that 40 cents, Joshua. Again, come join us in Discord, Joshua. What are you waiting for? Come join us. You want us to come find you and drag you? Uh, Raven, yes, please. Yeah. From Blister, yep. Somebody always knows. So 30 cents failing to hold, and there goes STRM with a dipski. Yeah, very interesting, Lion. There goes 24 cents. People jump in, they take the money, and they move on. Profit taking. Surprise. Not. Do, 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 do. 12 minutes before the news, someone bought 190. Someone bought 420 puts for 17 cents for $3,000 though. That's a lot of money to spend on random puts. So $3,000, those puts are now worth $650,000. Sheesh. Ayo, Mexican stallion. Ayo, how are you? Can you imagine, guys? Damn. Is that person going to jail now, or what should be Nancy Pelosi? That's crazy. SMCI. How do you just randomly put $3,000 into like 420 puts for and then horrible news comes out and the stock goes to the abyss. Sometimes unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, zero is hitting that double top there, Grim. You need that breakout and then boom skis. You need the breakout. ATGL. Hmm. Did I not delete that? I don't think I did. ATGL with the pop. Eyes of the day. ATGL. It's because I always pull up the yeah, there we go. It's a pretty nice push actually. Out of nowhere. Very nice push. This is why sometimes sometimes you just take the gamble in the demand zone because you never know. I always like when the 200 is in the demand zone for some reason. It seems to work out really nicely most of the time. Most of the time. And then there goes zero trying to break out. Zero. Zero, zero. That thing needs a bit more volume and then cook. All I let's go. Oh, like the protein bar. Oh, but okay, like a shake. Those things were amazing, Dan. Those things were amazing. Amazing, amazing. Okay, good. I'm happy. I'm happy that Dan isn't having like amazing breakfast today. You know, because I had cereal. Dan cannot have pancakes every day. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be salivating. See, now we're on the same page. I'm not sitting here craving food. See, this is good. There goes 1190 for zero. Little breakouts. 12 cents. Ooh, there goes 12 cents, guys. Boom skis. Grim, you're gonna end up in jail along with Nancy Pelosi for the pop on this. I'm surprised that thing never went off the scanner. Actually, never went off the scanner. Mm-mm. Hmm. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's go. Absolutely, Jay. Absolutely. Mm, 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 mm. Absolutely. Mm, mm. That was a really nice curl, actually. A very nice curl. Zero, zero. Somehow, some way, Joe, somebody always knows. I need commission on those. Yep, yep. ATGL, yeah, stuff like this is always scary. 640 again, Azul. Wow, okay. Looks like it came all the way back. Are you just copying that one name all day, Azul? Feel like you are. That looks like a nice little inverse head and shoulder, doesn't it? Nice little inverse, and then that resistance is closer to like 645. So if you can break and close above that, and then you're looking for 655, and then boom skis. Grim, she'll bring you monies though. You know why monies? That is scalp worthy Azul. Yeah, love it. Yeah, so nice little inverse head and shoulder there. It just needs to break out Azul, and then you can start cooking. We can cook. Mm, 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 mm. Dan? Okay. Pips. Do, 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 do. There you go, 650 KTTA. Ooh, straight to the view up, Azul. Straight to the view up. So that's going to be that 655 resistance for you. uh, funny, Grim. 655. So again, another lesson for, maybe how to, to view the view app, right? You can always use it as resistance on the way up because it's going to be a really common fail area. Very common fail. And that's another benefit of the algo, guys, is you can see the buy orders that are coming through versus the selling that's happening, right? So versus the volume that's coming through on these candles, right? So beautiful, right? On that candle at least. So when people look at level two, like every candle is going to be different, of course, right? So that's why like I don't really pay too much attention to like level two stuff because you can just use this information on here and you could have what you need. Uh, let's go, Jericho. I'll call it a night and let's go, Jericho. Double the daily goal. Yes, I like it. Well done. Congratulations. Have a good night. Get some rest. See you tomorrow. Alrighty. See you tomorrow. Much love. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. We have about 10 more minutes or so, and then we're going to hop off 10, 20 minutes, and then we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. So if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat and become a member. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Alrighty. Alrighty. And it looks like we failed at the view up there, Azul, and came back down. Yeah, we really are, back into that phase of like, okay, we had a good morning and now we're going into lunch and it's super slow. Super slow. Let's go, Dan. Absolutely. If you're not a Discord member, try it for a month. If you're not making the gains, you can always cancel. Exactly. Exactly, Dan. So, yep. See you in Discord, Gail. It did, Joshua. It did. That's why, again, you don't want to just buy something and hold it like that. When you're in the profits like that, Joshua, you have to put somewhat of a stop loss. So at the very least, it's break even or it's green, right? Otherwise, you just go from green to red for no reason because then that's just unnecessary. Unnecessary. To replace that one. Okay. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people are actually looking forward to a group futures call, Dan, just so they can learn some some other things. But yeah, I'm available whenever you guys decide. I can just sit, I sit and listen, just hang out. I think Rob wanted to set that up. Okay, perfect. What's BTC? Yeah, still below 65. Yeah, I will be there. Futures. Good for Fridays. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Friday evening. Friday evening. Get it done and then move on. See if anybody has any questions. Futures. Come on, something give us the violence already. Maybe we can go for this for a second retest up there for KTTA. Something give us the buddies. Give us the monies. It's been a good week though, right? Nothing crazy, but it's been a good week. It's been a consistent week. So even though it's been slow, we're not getting the the 200, 300%, 400% moves we're used to. We're still getting some really nice moves. Some nice moves. Do, 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 do. Mm, uh, let me see. What does that say? Okay. Let's go, Blister. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the community. Welcome. Um, like I said earlier, there's an invite. Just join. Excited to learn. Let's go. Welcome. I'm happy you finally decided to join. There's an invite link under the community section, members only on YouTube. Once you click on Hot Trades, so just use that link and join us in Discord. Alrighty. Once you click that link, though, it's going to take you to Discord. It's going to ask you to connect your YouTube and Discord. Once you do that, you're good to go. So just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel, scroll up and down, and you're going to see all the steps in there, and then you're good. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Let's go, Grim. Grim just took some monies out of the account. Some monies processing. Let's go. One of my biggest green days in a while. Withdrawing. Let's go. Let's go, Grim. Getting my last trade in before. Beautiful. Beautiful, Grim. Grunting. Are you just showing up to the stream now and wondering what we're watching? uh, you're just showing up now. Well, welcome. And you really think we missed this thing from the very beginning to now? Is that a valid question? I don't think so. It's always funny to me. No, I think again. So we watched this thing from the abyss all the way to $1.45 or whatever the high was. Now it just needs to consolidate around $1.10, $1, and then give us a breakout, right? So once it does, then we can come back. For now, it's trending down a little bit. Alrighty. You should get some sleep, Graham. Get some sleep. I would like to have a free 1 month trial. Z, come join us, and your membership will pay for itself. Alrighty, promise. Come join us, and your membership will pay for itself. There's no need for a free trial, because there just isn't. Uh, mm, there we go. BTC. Did we go back up, Tesh? Monies, monies, monies. Give us monies. Holo still just fighting here, isn't it? Fighting. Are you just keeping your Holo position, Raven? BTC. Where's my BTC chart? There we go. Ooh wee BTC. Ooh wee. Almost back to the highs of the day, Tesh. Looks good. Um, Thank you very much, Grim. Catch you in after hours. Okay, if I wake up, exactly. No, Grim, you've had an amazing day, an amazing month. So if you feel like sleeping in and not trading after hours, that's okay too. Alrighty, congratulations. Be safe. Good night, and chat later. Alrighty, much love. Thank you very much again for the testimonial, and thank you for everything that you do. Keep cooking, please. Let's go, Daddy Neta. Are you wanting me to look at that, or just you're in it, or you're just let me know. I know, right? Unbelievable. Kimbella, funny, isn't it? There goes BTC. Oof. BTC highs of the day, guys. My days. Highs of the day. Okay, I'll take a look. Beautiful Bitcoin. Beautiful. When 70, guys? When 70? When 70K is the only question here for BTC. When 70K. Uh, hmm. When 70. La 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 la. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah, if you're missing, if you're missing Stock General Legend, it's because you don't have the right membership. Ready? So you just need to upgrade. Cool, 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 cool. End of the week, Tesh. Love it. 65 500s. Let me look at laser though. Luminar. That looks really nice, actually. Daddy Neta looks really nice. Are you in this one? I hope you're in it. Right, beautiful demand zone. It looks like you're going to find a bit of resistance closer to $1, which is very common for anything that's below dollar, anyways. And then $1.10, and then $1.30. So, it looks good. It looks good. The only concern with a stock like this is that 400 million share float. It's not going to go up 100%. It's going to be slow and steady, but it does look good. It's trending up. Good volume today. Good volume. Uh, yeah, NQ. Yeah, yeah. You and Dan. Dan has been scalping the NQ. Do. Yeah, Dan. Dan is. I was about to roast, but I yes. Dan is a goat. A goat. Mm-mm. Why are we so volatile the last 2 days? What do you mean? And grunting. What do you mean? Volatile in the S&P or what? KTTA is still fighting to break above their Azul, right? And then push back for that VWAP. And then BTC looks like it's stalling a little bit at 65.5. 65.5. Let me go back and look at the S&P here. SPY was sitting at the bottom. It looks like we're consolidating. See, this is again the only reason why the S&P is still green. I feel is because we had such a nice gap up, and it's filled that gap right to like 571. I think better start bouncing here. Otherwise, it's going to see some violence. Some violence. Do we have data tomorrow? Yeah, I think we have like PCE tomorrow or something like that. Yeah. Usually the only days that we maybe don't have data is like Monday, but yeah, the whole market grunting. I think it's because we're sitting at all-time highs, and usually when we get to all-time highs, there's usually crazy candles. And we've been pushing a lot. Like I'm still very impressed. I don't think that like I've ever seen the market up 21% in a single year, and we have what 3 months to go still, right? 21%. Um, yeah. But like someone said this morning though, someone cool. Someone said this morning though that most likely again like part of the reason why we're up 21% this year is because we also had like a horrible year in 2022, 2023, right? Like we had a horrible time coming into October 2023, right? Like the market was getting slapped hard, right? So it had to account for that, right? So had to account for all the rubbish and give you extra. Uh, love it. Na 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 na. Perfect. Probably grunting eventually. Yeah, the S&P looks like it's forming a double bottom there. So the NQ people are scalping. Dan is in a long. Come on, Dan, make monies. Yeah, Bitcoin looks good actually. This might be a good weekend. If we can close strong, this might be a good weekend for BTC. A really good weekend. Yeah, eventually, it's gonna come. I think the year though that the market will really give you a nice retest is 2025. You know, maybe like the first month of 2025 or something. We get the good old sell off, or maybe like right into election, right? So next month, right? It's either next month or it's 2025. So let's go, Raven. Come on, Spy. Cook, 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 cook. There we go. We're bouncing a little bit. Just a little bit of a double bottom there for Spy. Right, so see if we can stay above that. See Z bottoms there. Z bottoms and then push closer to like 572 maybe, and then go from there. Right. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. See, I everybody is almost expecting the market to crash at some point, you know? The markets are just gonna keep creeping up, it looks like. If everybody is expecting something to happen, like everybody and their grandma is waiting for the S&P to crash. So people are selling stuff to have a whole bunch of cash, right? Let's go, Natalia. Bye for now. Small green day, getting there. Trusting myself more because the strategy you gave me definitely works. Thank you. See you in after hours. Well done, Natalia. Right, one step at a time. Right, you slowly keep building that confidence. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Alrighty. So good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. To my trading view. Let's see. That's funny, virus. So actually, I'm gonna send you the other video. Let's go, Joe. Let's go. Let's go. What are your thoughts on a crash up pricing some people out of the market? That's what I'm saying, right, Jay? So like almost like the reverse. What is it called again? Reverse market crash, right? Cutting rates, markets push up more, right? So I think we've seen a whole bunch of that though, especially after the last cut, right? So I think we might continue to see that into the end of the year, right? But at some point, that's going to become old, and we're going to need to go for a retest because I mean, like again, we're up 21% for the markets. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive, you know. Pretty impressive. I think that's why, like, dollar cost averaging into your long plays is just the way to go. So you're not having to worry about. You're gonna have some amazing entries when we do dip, but you're also gonna have some horrible entries. But either way, you're fine, right? Come on, do it for Raven. Can we get a pop? Can we get a pop? Come on. Uh, Personal income, core PCE, Michigan, la, 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 tomorrow, posted in futures channel. Thank you very much, Dan. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, okay, good reception on the plane. Yes, please. Yes, please. What's going on with SMCI? The same investigation that was happening. Same investigation. Do you have a position in SMCI? No, 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 no. Can we get one of those fat green candles in SPY? Stretch Joe out a little bit. Pick this penny off the floor. Come on, SPY. Come on now. Give us the pop. Give us a little bit more. Raven, are you nicely in the monies now or nicely in the monies? There we go, SPY. There we go. There we go, SPY. What is that candle? Okay. There we go, SPY. There's 572. Beautiful. Let's go, Raven. Come on now. Monies. You might have to start thinking of locking in profits here soon, though. There we go. Give us that 572. And then you can go back and follow Joe, you know? You can go back and follow Joe. Rubbish. Or you can just keep pumping, you can stretch Joe out a little bit more. Stretch. There we go. There we go. 572. Stop loss loaded. Love it. Yeah, we should be able to we should be stalling here soon and going the opposite way probably. So the stop loss is probably the best thing to do in case it wants to go. In case it wants to cook a little bit more. But Spy, the one thing Spy loves those double bottoms. You always get a little bit off the double bottoms, a little bit off the double bottoms, and then you can lock in those monies and just move on. Yeah, so there's our 572. So maybe we go back to the abyss now. Mm. Oh yeah, perfect. And there goes you sold for 44%. Well done, Raven. Congratulations. Uh He's standing on a stool now. What can I do? Unbelievable. You know what? Unbelievable. Uh, to perfection, Dan. Monies. Yeah, very nice, Dan. Very, very nice. Yeah, nice little double top there. In Q, same, same, same. Yeah, nice little pop for potential shorts. Unless we stay above the 50. If we stay above the 50, like if we stay above 571.50, well, then Joe is gonna smell violence. Smell violence. That's amazing, Raven. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, if we stay above that 50 EMA, then we're probably gonna push back above 572. The volume. I mean, it's trying. It's trying. And then 12. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And that time frame, yeah, no. I agree though. I agree, Joe. Again, if you look at the S&P though, like Spy loves the double tops, loves the double bottoms. So it's hit that double top. Then for now, you'd expect it to go back to the abyss, right? Unless we get a cup and handle or something like that. But yeah, weakness for sure. Daddy Nato is a meanie. Don't support him, Joe. Dan. And I'm really trying to say Jay, but anyways, Jay, rubbish. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. DUO again could not break above that supply zone, so there's really nothing to see for now, unless we stay above $1.10 already. So anybody that's still playing DUO, just make sure that it stays above $1.10 and you're okay. Alrighty, stay above and you're okay. Mm, okay, perfect. And Spy is just sitting there. Unbelievable. Of the 50 and 200 convergence divergence, yeah, I like those. I like those. I like the 50 and the 200 for Spy. For some reason, Spy loves the 50. Loves the 50. Like you can go back on any time frame, honestly, and use the 50, and it's really nice for Spy. Any time frame. Ayo Gucci, how are you? BTC, double tops. Double tops. Yeah, the 50. Bar replay. Okay. Lewis, how come you're not a member? Or do you just have a different account? How? Why? Yeah, KTTA had to break above that VWAP, and as long as it doesn't do it, it's not going anywhere. Alrighty, so for now, just watch the demand zone closer to $6, and you might just be okay. It is Joe. When the 50 catches to the 9 and the 20, yeah, yup. Uh, Treasury transaction over 500 days. Hmm. Rains repeat. What did the hot girls at the gym do? I don't know what they do at the gym. This is something Dan or Joe would know, especially virus. Actually, no, Joe's not allowed to go to the gym. Otherwise, his wife would beat him. But, you know, 3 more minutes, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. So I can do some other stuff. Elon Musk, Supreme Court will allow it to resume service in the country. Hmm, cool. Brazil, though. That's true. My wife is the hot girl at the gym. uh, that's funny. My wife is the hot girl at the gym. Yup, yup. Yeah, Joe posted a picture of his wife at the. Anyways, Joe looked stressed though. Stressed. Anyway, so there goes that little fake cup and handle there for the S&P. Come on, Spy, cook already. Cook, cook, cook. So it looks like we bounced off the 50, which is kind of what we talked about. Yeah. ARQQ. ARQQ. There goes Spy. Come on, break the double top. Break, 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 break. Yeah, just be careful. Be careful. We need to keep closing candles below 550, 572.10 ish, and then you can go to the shadow realm, Raven. Yeah, because that looks like a little fake cup and handle there, but yeah, below the 50 for confirmation. But for now, it's showing some vibes, some vibes, some vibes. There goes 572.10. Oh yeah, okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Raven. That was a good double bottom, though, wasn't it? So a good double bottom there for Spy. uh, that looks like a rubbish time frame, by the way. There goes Spy. Ooh, that was a beautiful double bottom. I instantly got hungry, Dan. Instantly. You know when you read a comment, but you're only like on the first sentence, and you're starving. Yeah. Yep. No violence, Joe. More Spy. More. 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 Cook, Sonny. That's a pretty good bounce. Your next retest here is that 200 EMA. So let's see what happens. See what happens. I haven't looked at the bigger time frame like Joe is saying though, but looking at the smaller time frame, nice little bounce. So if you bought some quick scalpy calls off the bottom there, that would have been really nice. You can take your monies and run at some point. So that 200, approaching that 200, be very careful. Be very careful, please. Right? Nice push. Very nice push. Uh, hmm. I'm trying to. My, la, 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 la. Okay. 88. Okay, so quite a bit higher. Dojo. There it goes. Good push. Give us more, please. 72.50. Go, 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 go. Yeah, everything went back to green there, Dan. Everything said we are back to green. Thanks, Stonks. Yeah. Yes, yes. Mm, yeah, to stay above $1.10. Yeah, it really needs to. You know what's good now though is that like the VWAP and the 200 is slowly catching up to that price. So so then you at least you know that the bottom is closer to. It just needs to stay above like these two at the very least. At the very least. So that 200 is going to be a problem, right? The 200 always a problem right there. And then maybe we go back to the abyss. Maybe, maybe, do, do, do. Maybe. Perhaps. Uh, Perhaps. Okay. It's back to the low. Yeah, garbage. Garbage. Do, 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 do. Mm. Mortgage rates declined to the lowest level in 2 years. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. 200 back test. Yeah. Near the lows. Okay. Can I buy? What are you buying? Dashboard. What are you buying? So there goes your SPY 200 test. Agreed. Agreed. Do, 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 do. What number is that? Ooh, we spy. Dipskis. That looks like a retest of a breakout, though, doesn't it? A spy. But yeah, weakness. Did you go back in, Raven? Did you go back in? Doo-doo. BTC. BTC. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo. Oh, I see, I see, I see. Let me take a look. Perfect. 571s. Okay, sounds good. You're hoping that it doesn't bounce above the 50 again, though. So 571.80 needs to break below that, and then you can start smiling. You can smile if we can break and stay below that level. Weakness. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off and go back to Discord already. Ooh, spy. 571.80. Yeah. Sheesh. Shush. My goodness. Let's go, Raven. Uh, not quite sure what's happening there. Then there we go. 120. Let's go. Finally. There you go, Sunny. Lion. Yeah. So all it had to do was stay above $1.10, and it has. And now we're finally back above 120. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's fully given up, right? So we're most likely going to be watching this one in Discord now. Most likely going to be watching that name in Discord. Okay, beautiful. Already, all again. Be safe. Much love, and catch you guys in Discord. See you all in options and stock general. Later, Raven. Tash later. Lion later. Sunny, go make monies, please. More monies on Monday. Oh yeah, that's right, Raven. See you on Monday, and in Discord. Gucci, see you in Discord. So again, if you smash a like before you go, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you are not a member and you want to come join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty. And if you do become a member, there's going to be a link under the community tab for you to join us, or send me an email, hottradsx@gmail. CM, happy belated birthday again. See you in Discord. Jay, much love. See you later. Kimbella, much love. See you in Discord. Bye, guys. Dan, I have nothing to say. Go, nothing to say. Doo, doo, doo.